beautiful, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am sharing exactly what I eat in a day during the holidays to support my hormones, my mood, and my energy, with simple whole foods recipes that focuses on high protein. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Charlene Town, and I share healthy habits and whole foods recipes that help you live a healthy lifestyle that you actually love living. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I love you so much. If I'm honest, the holidays used to completely throw me off. Sugar was everywhere, stress was really high, but now I have built foundational habits that support me through the season, and I want to share them with you today. So if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump into today's video. An official good morning, you guys. As you guys saw earlier, I just threw some protein powder in water with some chia seeds, get that protein first thing in the morning. And then my plan was to make like a veggie scramble breakfast tacos, but Liv has requested apple pecan pancakes. Well, she just wants apples, but I like the pecan pancakes. And so I think this is an excellent opportunity to share how I like to eat delicious foods all the time whenever I want them. This is a healthy whole foods recipe that I created, but it's not like a super high protein, only eggs and meat. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're super delicious. We love them so much. But this is one really key way of how I stay on track with my healthy lifestyle and my healthy eating habits throughout the holiday season, because I don't feel deprived from not having anything, because I actually eat what I want to eat when I want to eat them. So we're gonna make some apple pecan pancakes right now. We've got to run out to an appointment, and then we're gonna come back and do some meal prep, and I'm gonna show you guys some new recipes later. So without further ado, I am starving, so let's make some pancakes. All right, while the dogs are eating and the pancakes are cooking, we're gonna go throw ourselves together because we have an appointment this morning. So let's go get ready. Okay. Pause for a moment for the pretty tree. She makes me so happy. Oh my goodness, you guys, we have an update. We have started updating our bathroom. And she's looking so good. I also bought a new foundation. I was testing out the House Labs Triclone foundations. So they sent me 3 and I found, I think, my perfect shade and I ordered it, and they're concealer. So I'm excited. I don't have the full size yet, but I ordered them already. So they're on their way. So exciting. But this was really helpful and super fun. I liked that they did that. All right, guys, we are back in the kitchen. I am just making Liv some lunch. I am still full from breakfast. It's not even noon yet, but she's growing. So I'm making her some food and some snacks. But while I'm making her stuff, I'm gonna meal prep my sweet potato chicken poppers. I'm gonna pop the recipe up here. I'm not gonna show you guys me in depth making these because I've already filmed this recipe for the channel. But this is one of the healthy habits that I continue. So moving my body in the mornings, meal prepping chicken patties, making bone broth soup, like little healthy habits, healthy quick foods that I can easily grab and eat, whether that's on Thanksgiving morning. If I was traveling, I could take these with me. It's how can we maintain our healthy habits and how can we support ourselves through the busier times during the year, right? Because in my 20s, I used to have this mindset that if I couldn't be perfect, what was the point, right? Like, and I would just completely give up all of my healthy habits, my movement, like all of the things, right? And so many years ago now, I read the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, and he has this incredible quote in there that says, "We do not rise to the level of our goals, we fall to the level of our systems." What that means is that, like, we're not rising during these times to those big goals that we have, we're falling to those healthy habits that we've put in place, right? So if you don't have a system or a habit to get up in the morning and get your workout in, if you don't have, you know, yourself set up for success, like with your clothes put out the night before, or you don't have some, you know, chicken patties meal prepped, are you gonna eat them, right? Like, are you gonna have those healthy foods on hand? They will if you set yourself up for success, right? So we're gonna create these little small healthy habits just to support us through the holiday season, right? Because it's not about perfection. It's not about doing it all perfect. It's not about restricting yourself and not allowing yourself to have a good time. It's not about not allowing yourself to have the drinks or have the food. No, it's about how can you set yourself up for success by continuing to move your body, by still eating a healthy high protein breakfast, by having chicken patties in the fridge or the freezer so you have protein options right there really quickly on hand, right? What are your little healthy habits that you can include? This is one of mine. So I'm gonna meal prep some chicken patties for me while I make Liv some lunch and snacky things. I will show you guys what those look like when they're all done and ready. But again, I will list that video here and in the description box down below so you can get that recipe. It is so delicious. I love it so much, and honestly, I just keep making it because it's so delicious and easy and I love it. So let's meal prep. All right, ladies, we've hit that magical hour where all of the sunlight is now in my kitchen. It's stunning and I absolutely love it, but it's hard to see. But it is time to start prepping for dinner, and tonight we're gonna make a pumpkin curry. My favorite thing about this recipe is that there are so many vegetables in it. Honestly, you can put anything that you want in there. I usually just take whatever veggies we have in our fridge and that's what I make it with. So I'll show you what I put in it today, but honestly, you can make it at home with me right now if you want. Anything you have in your refrigerator is perfect. We are gonna use butternut squash today, bell pepper, zucchini, peas, cause Liv loves peas, and then chicken. We're gonna do chicken breast just cut up. I cook that separately in a pan and then put it all together and it's delish. It just takes me a little while to cut all the things up. So I'm gonna get that started now so that we don't have to worry about it later. So let's make some curry. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I really hope that this video reminded you that you don't have to do it perfectly. You just have to keep showing up for yourself with love and consistency. Let me know in the comments what is one simple habit that you're gonna continue throughout the holiday season that helps you feel grounded during the holidays. And don't forget to come back next Thursday for the next video. I love you. Bye.